Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint morph transition template in just 6 minutes. So tag along and watch the video till end. But first be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon, and don't forget to comment down to let us know about your opinions. By the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description below. So let's begin. First of all, open up a blank slide and you're going to go to Insert tab and insert an image of 6 ratio 9, 16 to ratio 9. You're going to go to Format Picture, Picture Corrections, and decrease the brightness of this image. Now we're going to close the picture format, and then we're going to insert a text box for the header of this template, and we're going to add some text. Next, we're going to select the text box and increase its size and change its color to white. And here it goes. Let's change its font to Arial Black, but this one looks nice too. But this is too much bold, so let's just align it into the center and change the font to other font. So next we're going to insert a subtitle, but we're going to increase its size and make it more bolder than the previous text. So for this, we're going to unbold the previous text and give some spacing to the subtitle and align it into the center. And then we're going to give it a white fill color. And for the shape outline, we're going to give it a white color. Next, insert 5 of the images that you want to use in this template. And what you're going to do is go to crop to shape and then rounded corner rectangle. And next, we're going to give them the same height and length and width. So for now, I'm going to use 5 as the ideal height and width of this rectangles right here. So let's just put them right here and check which is in the front and which is in the back. And that way we'll be able to put them in a suitable order. And let's just decrease the gap between them. Now select each image and crop it to get the center of this image into the template and that we can see it clearly. So for this one, I'm just going to increase its length and width and overall size. Here you go. And for this last image, I'm also going to decrease its width because it is much more wider than the other images. Select all of them and move them right here like this. By grouping them, we can easily align them into the center and the middle of the template. Next, duplicate this template and remove all the headers. And for these images, put them in a complete order. For the first image, you have to put them into the center and increase its size. And for other, you have to stack them into top of each other. And be sure to use the same sequence as you used in the first template. And here you go. Now what we're going to do is increase the size of this first image, and we're going to insert a text box in which we're going to write the header of this template. So for now my header is Japan, and I'm just going to bold it and use a much darker font to emphasize that it is a title. Next, we're going to insert our content text. Right now, I'm just going to use a placeholder text, and let's decrease its size, change its color to white, and align it along with the title. Let's just give it some line spacing, and here we go. Go to Insert tab and Shapes and insert a straight line just below the title and between the content and the title. And change its outline to about 3p.t and increase its and change its color to white. Next, duplicate this template and we're going to decrease the size of the enlarged picture, and then we're going to move it downwards. And for the second picture, we're just going to hold shift and move it down to move it in a straight line, and we're going to increase its size, change the text and the header. And for these pictures that are out of the template, we're going to move them near the large picture. We're going to duplicate this slide again and decrease the size of the enlarged image and move both the images downwards and increase the size of the third image. And for these two images, we're going to put them next to the third image. And we're going to change our text as well. You have to do is what you have to do in this video is that you just have to move these like this in a respective order, and you're going to change the text and duplicate the slide and repeat the process continuously. So here you go. Now the next thing you're gonna do is select all of these images and move them downwards to make the space for this large image, and let's change the title. So this title is just going out of the template, so let me just decrease the title's size. So here you go, select all of the templates. So you can select all of the template by pressing Ctrl and then give them morph transition in transitions tab. So that was all for today in this video, and if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon, and don't forget to like this video. By the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description below, and if you can't open that link, you can just ask me for the link in the comments. So I'll just send you the link right away.